What is an animal eruption? Imagine walking through a forest and suddenly spotting a flock of birds you rarely see in your area. You might wonder, why are they here now? What causes such unexpected appearances? These surprises are often caused by a natural event called an animal eruption. An animal eruption is when a large number of animals suddenly appear outside their normal range or usual migration paths. It is not a regular movement like seasonal migration, but an unexpected surge in animal numbers in places they are rarely seen. Usually, these events happen when animals move en masse to new areas. This movement is often driven by changes in food sources or population pressures. For example, many bird species like pine siskins or common redpolls normally stay within specific regions. But during an eruption, they can show up hundreds of miles away from their usual spots. They might travel south or east instead of their typical northward migration. These flocks can be surprisingly large, sometimes covering entire skies or forests. The main reasons for eruptions include shortages of food in their regular habitats. If seeds or berries become scarce, birds and other animals are forced to find food elsewhere. For instance, if a poor seed crop happens in the north, seed-eating birds like pine siskins will move south in search of better feeding grounds. Population increases also play a role. After a year of high reproduction, animal numbers can grow so much that they need to spread out to find space and resources. This overcrowding pushes some animals beyond their normal boundaries. Prey population cycles are another cause. Take snowy owls, for example. When their prey, like lemmings, have a population boom, more owls survive and sometimes disperse from their usual hunting grounds. This causes owl eruptions in areas where they are rarely seen. Eruptions are irregular and unpredictable. They show how animals respond to environmental changes and resource availability. These events give us a glimpse into how dynamic and adaptable animal populations can be. For nature lovers and birdwatchers, eruptions are exciting because they bring rare species into view. They also help scientists monitor how animals respond to ecological shifts. Sometimes, these events can influence local ecosystems by introducing new species temporarily, affecting food chains and even human activities like farming or birdwatching. Understanding animal eruptions helps us see how closely animals are connected to their environment. Changes in food supply or population numbers can lead to these surprising gatherings. They reminded us that nature is always in motion, constantly adjusting to the world around it.